Want to set up an automatic email reply in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, click on Emails from the menu panel. Select the email account you want to configure. This will take you to the Overview page. Click on the Automatic Reply option from the menu. On the next page, click Create an Automatic Reply. Enter a subject, set the start and end dates, or check Start Immediately to activate it instantly. If you want it to run indefinitely, select No End. Then, in the message box, type your automatic response. Click Create to save your settings. To edit the reply later, click on the triple dot icon next to the reply and select Edit. And similarly, if you want to remove it, click on triple dot and then click on Delete and confirm the deletion in the pop-up window. That's how you set up an automatic email reply in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Now, if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.